Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So I created this neutral cut crease. I love these looks, and it has a bold wing and false lashes. I created this look using the Tarte Tartelette Juicy palette. This palette is discontinued, but I have a lot of people who watch my videos and own this palette. They do have a smaller version available, but I am using the Tarte Tartelette Juicy palette. And the first shade I'm going in with is called Happiness. I love that name. And I'm using a Morphe JH34, and I am blending this all over my crease area. This is a cool tone transition shade. And take your time blending out every shade. Blending is so important, and tutorials make it look like they blend it out really fast, but actually they take their time. And the next shade I'm going in with is Fresh Start on a Sigma E25. I think I had some leftover eyeshadow on this brush from a previous look because it came out darker, which was a good thing, but yours may not be this dark. The shade Fresh Start is more orange tone. It's a really good warm transition shade, so I'm just going to blend this into my crease. And the next shade I'm going in with is Charmed on a Colourpop E16 blending brush. This is like a flat blending brush, and I'm going to blend this all over the crease area as well. I am then going to go in with some concealer. This is e.l.f. Camo, and I'm going in with a Morphe M124 concealer brush. And I'm just going to carve out the inner half of my eyelid, creating that cut crease and seeing where your crease is. So like looking straight ahead, seeing where the crease is that you want to create. Sometimes it might be higher up on your lid. It really just depends on your eye shape. So just work with your eye shape and find the place where you want the crease. Almost like set the brush on your eye bone and just look straight ahead, and you'll be able to find where you want to place it. I'm then going to go in with the shade Reflect on my finger, and I'm just going to pat it on top of that concealer because I don't want to move the concealer. This is a really pretty pearl champagne shimmer shade. I absolutely love it. And then I'm going to go in with a brush so I can be more precise around that concealer edge. I'm going to go in with the shade Luscious in a JH38. This is like a pointed blending brush, and I'm going to blend this in the outer V. It's going to look a little crazy, but you're going to put a shimmer in between these two shades. But I'm just going to blend this into my outer V, bring this up into my crease. I'm going to start darkening up the outer V. I'm just taking that Colourpop E16 and blending out the edges, making sure everything's nice and well blended. I'm going to go in with the shade Dawn. This is a shimmer that's slightly darker than the previous shimmer, but it's not dark enough. So I'm going to go on top of this actually with another shade, but I'm just patting this between the two shades. I'm then going to take my finger and go in with the shade Shine. This is a beautiful gold shade in the palette, and I'm going to tap this on top of Dawn. I'm going to take that JH38, it's a pointed blending brush, and I'm going to go with the shade Grounded and darken up the outer V some more. And on that same brush, I'm going to go in with the darkest shade in the palette called Euphoric, and I'm going to darken up the outer V even more. And then I'm going to tap on some more of that shade Shine, the gold tone shimmer. And then I'm going to go in with the JH38 in the shade Grounded and start blending out my bottom lash line. I'm going to take a Sigma E25 and go in with the shade Happiness and blend that into my bottom lash line. I'm then going to take the shade Water Lily and highlight my inner corner. And on that same detail brush, I'm going to take this shade Wishful and highlight my brow bone. I am then going to line my waterline with some Nude Eyeliner by LA Girl. I'm then going to create a bold wing using a Wet n Wild's Mega Liner, and it's matte black. I'm then going to put on some Pompador false lashes by Ardel, and that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe.